Hello, my friends. Well, we had a bit of a rough ride in the Olympic National Park, but nothing worthwhile in life comes easy, and thankfully, nobody was seriously injured. Life can be quite rough at times. We each have our own unique and personal challenges to overcome. During the tough parts, it can seem like nothing will ever get better. And when we're in that state of mind, it can be the worst thing in the world. It can consume our entire existence. It tries to swallow us and make us want to wallow in the depths of its misery. If you know me, you know I'm someone who suffers with chronic pain. And I think it's important to remind ourselves during any rough time that while life can be hard, what will come from that battle is something that will change the way we view the world. The depths that we are flung and the struggle to get back out is what gives appreciation for the heights we can climb to. While time may not heal all wounds, tomorrow will always bring a new day, and that day has unending potential to be amazing. But it's up to you to grab life by the handlebars and steer it that way. Pain is universal. Pain can be a way to connect or to empathize. Pain can even be good for us. It can bring us together as human beings. Hardships can make us stronger and bond us in ways that other moments just can't compare. My friends, these moments are what dual sporting is all about. The drive for adventure, to overcome challenges and bask in their achievement from the top of a secluded mountain, to travel to places off the beaten path, for adventure is where the road ends and the path least taken begins. This is Lake Cushman, the first stop on our journey. The plan was to camp at Staircase Campground, but during the peak of the tourist season, that's nearly impossible. Which is why it's always good to plan a secondary campsite, or you'll end up dispersed camping last minute, which can also be fun.
I am just out here trying to find some signal, but I thought I would share my sexy pants and my sexy dance. Oh yeah, oh my. Okay. Kids, don't wear these out. Alright, this is it, the beginning of the trip. Motormen are gassing up, getting ready to head up. More to come. Here they come, rounding it up. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, let's go check it out.
The High Steel Bridge is a truss arch bridge that spans the South Fork of the Squamish River on Forest Service Road number 2202, near the city of Shelton. It was built in 1929 and is 375 feet tall, or about 114 meters high. As usual with video footage, it just doesn't quite capture the intensity of just how high up you are on this bridge. But I will definitely say that when exploring around the Olympic National Park, this is probably one of the cooler sights to easily enjoy.
I didn't think that'd be that cool.
That's a ways down there. Want to get a group shot?
Yeah, let's do it.
Should be recording right now, so.
Looks like I got some chewing. That's funny. Oh, you got a group on?
Yeah, we're doing a group shot. What's up, guys?
Hello.
Steel Bridge.
Join the ride.
Yeah,
Hello, YouTube. Woo. Yeah, join the ride.
This shot of us crossing the bridge from one side to the other was much harder to get than I anticipated. I attribute this to dual sporters not knowing the meaning of the word order.
So we're gonna do midway and turn around, or just go
Yeah. Yeah, we don't have to go all the way.
Okay.
I can cut them together and make it look like we came all the way pretty much.
Okay, cool. So halfway, turn around. Okay. Is it ready?
What's going on here?
Gonna have to take the pants off.
Stop doing that.
All right. Back on the road again. Stop. A little bit. Brake. There you go. Keep your rear brake on. There you go. Keep on it. More throttle. More gas. There you go. Nice big down. Woo! Easy day. I don't even need to watch this. I know Mikey's got this, no problemo.
Oh shit.
There's the road. Holy shit.
Thank you guys very much. That saved us a lot of time navigating.
Right as we were looking to map our way back, these guys came along and I figured, who needs GPS when you have USFS?
Yeah, so just stay on this road.
In Snoke Valley.
Yeah, and it's just stay on the road. You'll hit blacktop, then you'll hit dirt roading, and you hit blacktop. And
Perfect. Awesome. Thank you guys so much. Saved us a ton of time.
no problem. Thank you.
Yeah, that's a great one.
Not too bad, right?
I cannot believe I just did that.
Good, man.
Wow, I cannot just believe that we went up and back and no one got hurt or anything.
Let's see, Saturday morning, moto camp out, day 2, day 3, Thursday.
2 days camping, so a little bit of second night camping. Day 3.
Easily, what, like 400 miles? We did like 130 yesterday, or you said, or something like that.
135 to get here Thursday. About 100 miles yesterday.
A couple hundred miles. Doing good. Body's feeling it.
Ride all day and sleep on the ground.
Hold on, hold on. Yeah, I'm good.
Moose here just had his first crash. Came down a little hard on this edge here on his big bike. And
His handguards came down.
this is little bark busters, got a little busted.
Well, they
Those are pretty
came
easy
down
to
and they
replace.
dragged across the top of the there.
There's a yellow Jeep up ahead, about 5 minutes-ish.
Yeah.
Stop there, wait for us. We gotta turn around.
Okay.
No, you can go ahead and kill it. Just go ahead and kill it. So this is a fun little kickstand trick.
Okay.
Have you ever seen how you just you can help me out by grabbing the handlebars? What we're gonna do is we're gonna tip it this way.
So what do I do?
Well, you also tip it. Now see how it's off both wheels?
Yeah.
Now we rotate. Just like this.
Oh,
And you can do this by yourself pretty easily too.
really?
You just go like right here and it's actually just as easy.
Okay.
And
seen
then you
that
don't have to
before,
do the skid 180. Yeah, buddy.
That's awesome. Yeah, I would have tried to skid out too, like you did, but like
That requires a little bit of training
Yeah, I was gonna say
to do that.
Like I said, I just got on this since I was like 10, like
Right.
what was it? December of 18.
Nice. Well, shortly after Moose's first crash, we pulled over for a little break and the Africa Twin won't start. Got
Is there a safety
enough
kill
mechanics
switch
here
on
that
an
I'm not
African
too worried
Twin
about
once
it,
you dump
though.
it?
Print year.
2017.
Oh, and it always helps to have a little service.
Yeah, I'm changing.
Not that kind of service. So, simple fix, hopefully. Moose left the lights on too many times, it looks like.
You want to try starting it?
This
go ahead, or
did
I
not
can
turn out to be a simple
disconnect
fix after all. But you'll get a good clue if you pay attention to what happens every time the guy in the brown shirt touches the battery charger on the Africa Twin.
Somebody's taking help.
There you go. We got lights. Keep on the gas. Keep on the gas. Yeah, keep the gas. Long time. Just keep it going. Keep it going. More gas. More.
We gotta leave it a minute.
That's okay.
Yeah.
I think it's ready. If you want.
You don't want to overdo it.
Just go ahead and start it and see.
What ended up being the problem was that the battery terminal had busted inside and just wasn't holding enough connection from the terminal to the battery.
Well, I shoved a safety pin in there and we got it running. Now let's see if it makes it down the hill. Wish us luck. Oh, we've been here for a while and we're all hot and bothered. Not in a good way. Yeah, maybe a good way. I don't know. Depends on how you like to be hot and bothered. To each their own. But this has been one epic adventure thanks to the Africa Twin.
Well, I should know better than to count my horses before they're hatched. We made it about 20 feet from the road. It's always hard to see another rider go down, whether it's an injured rider or even just a motorcycle. The last thing on your mind is getting good footage. So forgive me for the lack of quality coverage on this, because for the most part I kept forgetting I was even recording.
Hit my knee pretty fucking hard on that rock.
Oh man, yeah, there's some big rocks.
So,
Let's come over here and
that's it.
What do you do?
Well, take it easy. Don't stand on it. Don't put weight on it yet. But let's get you over here resting on this
He
side.
wiped and then I saw that.
Where'd you hurt?
Oh, this knee right here it fucking hit. And then lucky I had my helmet, but
Come rest over here. Don't put any weight on it.
He's losing oil. He's not
Yep.
going very far.
Here. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh shit.
Yeah, he's losing oil. He's
Oh fuck balls.
oh, he is. Oh, yeah, he's.
ripped out an oil can or something.
You killed it? Fuck. You killed it? Hey, plug it up if you can find it. Plug it up right now. You able to do it?
No. Hot.
No, oh shit, hot. You gotta use your glove. We gotta save that oil.
Why?
Because I can patch it. But you gotta make sure that it stays in there. All right, so we've got to move this well all together.
I do want to wear it again, so.
Just want to get this from. Okay, coming down. Down. All right. Okay. Did that stop the leaking? Well, that's a pretty big hole. Oh boy. Yeah, that's a pretty good one.
Stop doing that shit. The people are going like, what the fuck?
Hey guys, do you have any spare oil? It's like my vehicle oil? Okay, thank you very much. You guys have a good trip. Yep, most certainly. There's a lot of people coming through.
I think the underwear thing, I'm doing that, dude.
They loved it. Did you see them? They loved it. They were cracking up in there. This is the epic hill that took us all out. Well, most of us, half our party.
Thank you.
Are your feet normally that pink?
Huh?
Your feet normally that pink?
Oh, yeah, they'll get pink like that.
Okay.
It's not broken, it's just big sprain, probably, or fucking whatever. I'm not a doctor. I
What
know
about
it's
your
fucking-
toenails? They
I know
usually
it
that
hurts.
color?
The what?
They usually that color?
No, that's some bad toenail fungus, dude.
I'm just
I
pulling,
know you're getting
pulling your foot there now.
I was like, don't touch it, man. I got a good nut shot right here. Those Spidey underwear won't save you either.
So right now, because his bike is so low on oil, I am coasting it as far as we can. Not my motorcycle. I am not a big bike fan. And I am trying to take these corners as fast as I can. Yeah.
This must be what electric motorcycles sound like. Luckily, the majority of the trip back to the campsite was all downhill, where we got the bike all taken care of by putting it on the back of a tow truck and shipping it back to whoever Moose rented it from. Good thing he got the insurance.
Yeah, exactly. You just go in, get dip.
Yes, indeedy. After a long, dirty day, we need it.
I don't know, man. Didn't bring my towel. I even brought some freaking soap.
Oh, that feels good. Yeah, it's just always getting past that one stage, that one spot. Yeah. But it feels good though. Show us how it's done. Yeah, I know. I'm going over this way. You stabilize yourself against this. Nice. Oh, that's a good stuff. Exactly what oh, good, brother. All right, get all the dirt out of myself.
To my adventure companions, I just want to thank you guys for carrying on despite our hardships, beat bikes, and bruised bodies. You guys mostly kept your cool and still managed to have a good time. The truest test of one's character is during the heat of the moment, when the pressure is on. Just remember, everything in life is dangerous, so choose something fun that will leave a lasting memory. Because in the end, moments are what life is made of.
Yeah, I've learned in my years of life, man, that fucking everything that's happened to me, you know, even when I married my crazy ex-wife, guess who married her?
You signed those papers.
Yeah.
Me. I didn't know she was that crazy at the time. So I take responsibility for that part. And then having a kid with her, and then, you know, you got to deal with all that when you have a kid.
That's why I didn't ride for 20 years. Kids popped into the picture. I'm gonna sell my bike, but I gotta have another one lined up. And I ended up selling the bike and didn't have another one lined up. So like 20 years later, I finally.
That's the same thing with me, dude. I sold my 450 Suzuki.
Saying at your age,
my daughter was born.
just keep riding. Keep riding.
Or never get married.
Or never get married. That's
Shit.
what's gonna keep you riding.
I tried to tell him that, like, the reason that he drove such a big bike is because he's from Texas.
He's like, everything's bigger in Texas.
Everything's bigger in
The moment
Texas.
they process that.
Yeah, the woman processed that, and then we were walking up the hill, and she goes, "He's funny." You're funny.
Speaking of funny, you got a bunch of jars of what look like pee.
Are you? Don't
yeah.
drink it. That is not.
Are you doing
liquid
anything with
nitrogen.
that? And if not, can I have it?
I'm just peeing in it. Peeing it.
A couple of drug tests you gotta get through.
You got a couple.
You
drug
don't know
tests?
what's in
I mean,
there.
I wasn't really gonna get specific.
Oh
with
yeah,
it,
do
but,
it,
yeah.
do it, man. It's all yours, man.
I'm just totally teasing you, man.
But no, if you need a drug test, that is actually a good deal. No, serious. You know how many?
Oh, I should have waited, Mike. You missed it, buddy.
You know how many people?
I just asked for his pee.
You know
He was down. He was gonna give it to me.
you know how many?
They thought I needed to pass a drug test.
You know how many people need that for a drug test?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's clean, man. Only 20 bucks an ounce. 20 bucks a gallon.
Hey you, I'm just starting off this whole YouTube journey, and I could sure use your opinion. So what do you think? Should I keep producing content? If so, hit that sub button and let me know.